language and culture.
But today, we're here to teach you guys about our New Year, which took place on February 14th.
But that's Valentine's Day.
Yeah, but this year it was also the Lunar New Year.
The New Year we're all used to celebrating on January 1st is based on the solar calendar marked by the sun. The Lunar New Year is based on the lunar calendar, which follows the cycles of the moon.
The moon? Why the moon?
The Chinese were once an agrarian society where farmers used the phases of the moon to determine harvesting and planting seasons.
Because the path of the moon varies from year to year, the actual date of Lunar New Year varies as well.
Then how do we determine the date each year?
Well, what stays the same is that the Lunar New Year always falls on the second new moon after the first day of winter.
The new moon is when it looks like there isn't a moon at all. It's just a dark circle in the sky. Because of the cyclical dating, the date of Lunar New Year can fall anywhere between late January to mid-February. This year, it's on January 14th, February 14th.
Really? That sounds cool. The Lunar New Year is similar to Thanksgiving in that it puts a lot of emphasis on family relationships and brings the family together. Meanwhile, like the New Year most of you guys celebrate, we also stay up very late, past midnight, to welcome in the new year. It's also like Hanukkah and Kwanzaa because it's celebrated over many days. The full Lunar New Year celebration lasts a total of 15 days.
So what else happens during the New Year? Are there any more differences between the celebrations?
Well, the Lunar New Year is celebrated in a cycle called the zodiac, which is comprised of 12 animals. Do you know what they are?
Yes, I know. Some students will show us the 12 animals. The 12 animals are the rat, the ox, the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon, the snake, the horse, the sheep, the monkey, the rooster, the boar, the dog, and the boar. Why did those animals get to be in the zodiac?
According to legends, the animals were determined by a contest held by the Jade Emperor a long time ago. The contest was a race, and the first 12 animals to reach the finish line would be in the zodiac based on the order in which they finished.
Oh yeah, I remember. The rat won the race because he and the cat made a deal with the ox when crossing the river. The ox, being blind, needed the rat to navigate. When they had almost reached the end of the river, the rat jumped off, ran ahead, and won the race.
But what happened to the cat? Why isn't the cat in the zodiac?
The rat was cruel and pushed the cat off in the middle of the river, so it ended up in 13th place and didn't get a spot on the zodiac. That is why even today, the cat chases the rat for revenge.
I see. So what's this year's sign? Does anybody know?